Morning! Quick video message for Dorian. Dorian, hello there. Thanks for buying the Stihl 056. I'm amazed this thing didn't sell sooner, actually, because they're so difficult to get, and she's such a large engined machine and so many great parts on her. So I was very distinctive name, and I'm pretty sure you bought something a while back, but I can't quite remember, but I think it was, I don't know if it was oleo or caster or can't remember. Anyway, thank you for buying another saw, much appreciated. I'll get her packed and done to UPS today. So I'll show her running one last time before I put her in the box. So, choke, obviously no throttle lock, so I'll hold the trigger. Little throttle lock pin is in there, just fell forward and jammed the trigger open. So love to hear what you do with the saw, if you break her for parts or if you're going to repair the base or put it back into service. Would really love to hear, and I hope we deal again. Stay safe. Bye for now.